2018 Chevy Equinox. This is my wife's car. She was driving to work the other day and smelled a strong odor of gas, especially when idling. And I'm going to show you what's going on with this. First thing, I'm about to depressurize the fuel system. And then I'll show you what's going on. And we're going to start engine. And let's see here. All right, so we release the fuel pressure. Now I can show you. If you look in here, you can see that gas is leaking out of the injector number 2 and pooling down in the cylinder head. So that's where the gas smell is coming from. You have to pull off this cover and the insulation, and it will expose everything down here, and you can see that it is coming out from where the injector goes right into the cylinder head. So that injector is gonna get pulled out, and that's gonna be replaced, and all the seals are gonna be replaced on it.